All right, let's solve this problem. In the diagram below, there are two concentric circles of radii r, small r, and radii big R, respectively, with center O. So this is our center O here. If R is 2 over 3 big R, express the area of the shaded portion in terms of pi and R. Now, I've told you when you want to solve this problem, which is an analogous problem, all you need to do is the area of the shaded portion is pi big R squared minus pi small r squared. So I can put the pi outside because it's the same value, then have r squared minus small r squared. So for this question, we're not given the value of pi. We're told to leave our answer in terms of pi. So remember that small r is 2 over big R, 2 over 3 big R rather. So 2 over 3 big R all squared. So this will be pi r squared minus 2 squared is what? 4. 3 squared is 9. Then you have r squared here. So this is r squared here. Now, if you check well, you will see that r squared is common. So I can take it out. So r squared comes out and I have 1. 1 will be left here minus 4 over 9, right? So what is 1 minus 4 over 9? We can easily do it by changing 1 to 9 over 9. 9 over 9 is the same thing as 1. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So 9 over 9 minus 4 over 9. That will give you, what would I give you? 9 minus 4, that's 5. So that's 5 over 9. So your final answer becomes, so the area of the shaded portion in terms of that would be 5 over 9 pi r squared.